iBrew, fully automatic Indian tea and filter coffee machine, has two models, of 5-liter and 12-liter milk capacity. Machines are manufactured by PRADEEP Stainless Steel Private Limited, Chain A market leader in manufacturing and exports of stainless steel hotpots, cookware, electric and non-electric urns, tableware, planters, and industrial enclosures. This video is intended to assist in the installation, operation, and daily maintenance of iBrew machine. The beauty of this machine is, it uses fresh milk, tea, and coffee powder of your choice. iBrew runs between 220 watts to 240 watts AC at 50 Hz and consume 3000 watts of power. It is provided with a 3-pin plug and must be connected to a single-phase 15 amps power supply. First of all, insert water hose in water reservoir. Connect machine to power supply and switch on power button on the side. Now machine automatically fills water from reservoir and will get warmed up. Meanwhile, you may add milk into the container above. And coffee powder in the filter basket. Tea brewing, or tea brewing machine, also runs on 220 watts to 240 watts AC. First of all, fill water in the machine to max brewing level and switch on brewer. Turn thermostat knob to around 90 degrees to boil water inside. When the water reaches desired temperature, you may insert filter basket filled with tea powder in brewer. You can set the brewing time with timer knob provided on machine. When brewing is done, you may remove the filter basket and tea decoction is ready. As soon as the water reaches the preset high level of 95 degrees Celsius, milk will get boiled and coffee brewing starts. Coffee decoction will get stored in the tank below filter basket. Once brewing is over, you may turn on warmer button on side to keep decoction warm. Operation is simple, a skilled tea maker is not at all needed. iBrew dispenses coffee, strong coffee, tea, strong tea, hot milk, and hot water. We can also dispense black coffee and black tea also. Cup counts of various beverages dispensed can be checked and can be locked with password. Daily cleaning is also fully automatic and will take less than 15 minutes to complete. iBrew, fully automatic Indian tea and filter coffee machine.